Classification of cleanroom applications by ISO standards. ISO classification. Required cleanliness level. Key industrial applications. ISO 1 to ISO 3. Ultra clean. Semiconductor manufacturing, especially in lithography stages, and the production of highly sensitive silicon wafers. ISO 4 to ISO 5. Very high cleanliness. Optoelectronics, manufacturing high-precision lasers and optical mirrors. Nanotechnology, research and manufacturing processes at the nanoscale. ISO 6 to ISO 7. High cleanliness. Pharmaceuticals and sterilization. Aseptic filling areas for sterile drugs and vaccines. Certain areas may require ISO 5. Implantable medical devices. Assembly of satellites and space vehicles. ISO 8. Medium to low cleanliness. Preparation and storage. Preparation and preliminary packaging areas in pharmaceutical industries. Food and beverage industries requiring controlled environments to prevent contamination. General research laboratories and buffer zones surrounding stricter cleanrooms.